Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader. Today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we can see that it is trading at around $14. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, which is at a high probability that if it didn't sustain, we can see it can go further down, because we can see a swing, we can see a support coming at around 1681, that is a weak support. Before that 1867, if it comes close to this level, we can see again it can move further down. Okay, or if it sustain above a level of around 1736, then we can see it can go further upside. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a link of Telegram I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at the chart. What chart is saying that, see, there is a U pattern forming and then continuous downfall after making this particular high of around 2070. Okay, and if you look at this particular zone, and this is from first week of August, what we can see, it is continuously moving down. So suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $1691. Okay, it can move further down towards a level of $1691. Okay, and if that level didn't sustain, then there is a probability we can see it can touch a level of $1681, and this is a weak support, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further down towards a level of 1674, which is again a weak support, so probability is very high. We can see it can move further down towards a level of 1644 also, and if the price fall below this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around 1623, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 1614. Okay, and once the price didn't sustain this particular 1614, then we can see it can touch a level of $1593, and if the price fall below this particular level, you can check my previous video, or if the price fall below this particular level, you can see it can go and touch a level of $1554. Okay, and once the price fall below $1554, you can I make another video, okay, where it can move, or you can check my monthly or weekly video where I explain if the price fall below this level, where all it can go. Okay, now you have to understand something. You have to look at the chart. No, you don't have to predict that the market will go upside or downside if you are holding any position. Okay, what you have to do is you have to look at the chart, because this is if the data move upside or downside, you will see on the screen. Okay, you don't predict or trade according to your zone. You see on the chart and then you trade. So there will not be a sharp rise or fall till the time there is no big news. Okay, if how the market moves, it will halt for some time and then trade in the particular zone. In the same way, it will halt for some time, then it move in the particular zone. Okay, so suppose if this particular level sustain, okay, as we can see a swing forming at this particular level. So suppose if this level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $1719. Okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1726. Okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, what we can see, it can touch a level of $1739. Okay, and if it goes above that level, then there is a probability of touching $1753. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $1754. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further higher towards a level of $1786. Okay, so keep this in mind. Again, I repeat, if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $1719, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $1726. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see a resistance forming at around 1739, and if that level sustain, we can see a level of $1754. Okay, and once the price goes above 1754, then we can see it can touch a level of $1762, and then what we can see, a trend will change and a pattern will form. That is, a cup pattern will form, which shows the probability of moving further high towards a level of $1792. Okay, and if this level sustains 1762, what we can see, if a trend will change towards an upside and a probability of touching 1775 to a level of 1775 to a level of 1784. Okay, and then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around and can cross a level of $1801, and from there we can see it can go further high. So you have to keep this in mind that there is a probability if the price goes above a level of 1804 $4, we can see a trend will change towards an upside for the gold. But otherwise, if it is going above below a level of 1681, then there is a possibility that it can go further down and can touch a level of 1715 or can go further down. Okay, so you have to understand something. You have to be careful when you trade. You cannot predict according to yourself. You have to go on through the data and on the charts, then only you can try to manage your risk. That is very important. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to